की महफूज नहीं, इज़्ज़त नफ्स किसी शख्स की महफूज नहीं। अब तो अपने ही निगाहबानों से डर लगता है। डंगे की चोट पे जालिम को बुरा कहता हूँ, मुझे सूली से नहीं जिंदानों से डर लगता है। Start with the name of Allah the Almighty, who is the King of the Kings, Master of Masters, who had created you, me, and all the universe. First of all, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today, the subject of my speech is patriotism. Dear principal, as we all know that patriotism means love for the land that is mother of our mother. So the man who is right from this which is like a dead stone, null and from all the beauties of life on the roads. For these person, a great poet, Ustad Bukhari says that Sajjana Saniya ji sikka kai unasiya vistare heftin sir hoy watan jinnis visaryo. Dear students, once the late Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi was asked whether he was Muslim first or Indian first, he replied, "Are you the son of your father first? Are you the son of your mother first?" This was the real patriotism. Dear students, have you seen a newly born chicken baby crying for his mother? Have you seen? If have you seen, then I ask you why he does so. He does so because he knows there's a great relief in the lap of mother. Same case for a patriotic person. A person who knows all the components of his motherland is like a crying chicken baby. A person which has no such feeling is like a dead stone on the roads. Dear students, what we say that Pakistan is not land of our ancestors, but it is the land which is gotten after the shedding the rivers of blood of our ancestors and our leaders. Our leaders devoted their life for this respect, that they wanted their flag raised, they wanted everyone should be free, they wanted a system in which every Muslim should spend his life according to the rules of Islam. They did all this because they were full of patriotism. Their thoughts were full of love for their country, and that love proved in a history as a blast missile for our enemies. But alas, now we are losing this respect day by day. If we have not started losing it, India never think to be attacked on your borders because terrorists has never fronted. Dear students, America has not slaved our landed sister Dr. Afia Siddiqui, who is still bearing all their tortures, but still her tongue is pronouncing that I can be counted as a daughter of Pakistan because I can bear all your tortures, but I cannot bear a single word against my motherland.